Fine. Maybe I have had leftover feelings for you too, but I had good reason for not saying anything.
Oh, really? Pray tell.
I didn't say anything because the last time we tried this, I got burned.
You got burned?
You got back with your ex like an hour after we had a slight hiccup.
A slight hiccup.
Can you stop repeating the ends of my sentences? You know what? I'm done with this conversation.
No, I'm done with this conversation.
You just did it again!
Actually, I'm not done. You completely freaked out on me because I said I love you. You have any idea how much that hurt? I wouldn't call it a slight hiccup.
Okay, it was a medium hiccup.
No, it was a giant hiccup. You want to know why you freaked out, Sophie? Because you're the coward, not me, you. But I've moved on, okay? And you should too. Now I am going to my girlfriend's place if it kills me.
Do you think he killed him? Snap, snap, snacking. Every day I'm snacking. You never catch me slacking. Outlaw fracking. I mean, I could basically be a professional rapper.